Before getting started using ReVo Leveler to fill in the height adjustment chart, I need to tell you that this needs to be done prior to setting the positions for level left and right, disconnect, level front to back, and connect. If you store those values first and then try to do the height adjustment chart, your height adjustment chart values are going to overwrite the values that you stored previously. So do this first and then do the positions for left and right, disconnect, front to back, and connect. This video deals with the board thickness height chart that is on top of the sun shield. This becomes necessary if you are the type of person who puts a board underneath one wheel in a multi-axle travel trailer. What you're going to find out, what I found out, confirmed, is that if you put an 1.5 inch board underneath one wheel in a multi-wheel axle, you do not get an 1.5 inch worth of height change on the trailer. So when ReVo Leveler tells you that you need to put an 1.5 inch or whatever value of board thickness on this side or the other side, if you put that 1.5 inch under just one wheel of a multi-axle travel trailer, ReVo Leveler is not going to be satisfied because you did not make an actual 1.5 inch height adjustment. Let me show you what I mean. What I'm going to do is use the position capabilities built within ReVo Leveler to tell us exactly how much of a height difference that we get for a specific board thickness. What you need to do is take it out of the recall function and put it into the set function. And you need to tell it that our current location is level left and right. Doesn't matter that it is or it isn't, we're telling it that it is. And we're not going to be disconnecting, we're not going to use front to back or connect, so we're just going to tell ReVo Leveler that this is the disconnect height, that this is the front to back height, and that this is the connect height. Alright, so when we take it out of the function mode and put it back into the recall mode, and we again press level left and right, are we in a different location? Yes, we are. And it's saying that we need to make no correction. So we told it that its current location is level left and right. Now what I'm going to do is pull the trailer up onto an 1.5 inch board, but only underneath one axle of my multi-axle trailer, and I'll show you what happens. I pulled the trailer up onto an 1.5 inch board, but only under one axle. Let's see what happened. Level left and right. Yes, we're in a new location because we're in a new height. And this is going to tell me that I got 0.7 worth of height change. So remember, we told it was level, and we then drove up onto a board. So we drove up onto an 1.5 inch board under one axle. We got an actual 0.7 inch change on the height on this side of the trailer. So we're using ReVo Leveler and its capabilities to complete the chart. I used 1.5 inch board thickness here, so I would put 0.7 inches worth of actual height adjustment. If I had a 1 inch board, a 3 inch board, a 4 inch board, you can do as many as these as you would like. it's actually pretty linear between the min and max values. Remember that this board height chart is necessary only if you are the type that puts a board underneath one axle in a multi-axle trailer. 1.5 on my trailer was only 0.7 inches worth of height adjustment difference. Your trailer may be different. Every trailer is different because of the types of tires, the types of suspension. Just every trailer is different. So you're going to need to do this for your trailer one time, and then it'll always be there for you to reference in the future because it's on the sun shield.